All right, y'all. We have these boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and yeah, we're gonna put them out here on the smoker. So yeah, we got them seasoned up. We're gonna let them catch this good smoke. Yeah, we're gonna do the fajita style on them today. You know, we got a little bit of this fajita seasoning, and yeah, we're gonna put a little bit of that on there too. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. Check it out. All right, y'all. We got them loaded up with the chicken, and we're gonna do it a little different today. We're gonna slow cold smoke the chicken today for about an hour, and then we're gonna kick it up a notch. Yeah, we rolling. You know, we got the smoke rolling. We gonna try to get some smoke on this chicken today, a whole bunch. So, like I say, we're gonna switch it up, man. You know, you never know if you broaden your horizons till you know, look over the horizon. So, yeah, we trying something different today. We're gonna kick it up to the heat point. You know, about an hour into the cook, and then the chicken ought to be ready to, you know, it ought to be done absorbed enough smoke, and it ought to be good and ready. We just trying something different today, so y'all stay tuned. Anyway, we're gonna take a peek at it. We got it on here, and let's check it out. Got them all laid out. Just want to give y'all a peek. Like I say, we got the Tajin on there. Y'all ain't never tried that Tajin seasoning. I know y'all drink it on your beer and your margaritas, but try it on the chicken. Yes, sir. You know, Uncle B, we always try something different over here. Yes, sir. Stay tuned. I'm gonna bring y'all back in about an hour after we put about an hour of cold smoke on these boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Alrighty. All right, y'all. We doing this chicken a little different today. We're putting a slow smoke on it. You know, we kind of cold smoke it for the first hour. It's been on here for about 45 minutes. Yeah, let's take a peek. I usually cook it hot and fast, but we're gonna cook it kind of slow today to start out with, because we're trying to put a little more smoke in it and increase that flavor profile. Let's check them out. Alrighty. Yeah, that's like I said, that's about 45 minutes in, you know, and just now been on there smoking. We're gonna let them smoke up to about, we're probably gonna give them about another 30 minutes, maybe 45 minutes on there. And then we'll put them over and go ahead and sear them on off, you know, just like we do everything else. And we'll bring y'all back. And let's go she big when these things get some color on them. Yes, sir. They smelling real good. Alrighty. Alright, y'all. We done kicked it up a notch on this chicken. Let's check it out, see what we're looking like. Yeah, we let it smoke for about an hour, you know. Hour and a half, I think it was, on the smoke. Now we searing it off just like we do everything else, get it up to temperature. That's the key. You know, y'all want to do it like Uncle B. There it is, I give you the key. Yeah, y'all can turn your lock with it. Yeah, you rock it over there however long you want to get it to smoke. Usually, if you want to use a probe, you can get it up to about 125, 150. And then you got to get it hot. And it's ready to rock. And there it is right there. I'm over here on the hot side right now. We rocking hot, about 300. Cooking from the bottom. Like I say, just the bottom over here. Cooking from the top, anywhere past here. This way, it's cooking from the top. You got an offset smoker. Y'all keep on rocking with Uncle B. I'm gonna give you these gems in these videos. Yes, sir. Alrighty. Just want to give y'all another look at it before I take it off there. Look at that. Yes, sir. Yeah. It's like a scream when I stuck that fork in there. Look at that. Ooh, about to fall apart. Let me Let me put it down. All right. But yeah, that's the finished product, y'all. We're gonna take it off and take it in the house and make something with it. Bring y'all back in a minute. All right, y'all. Here we go. Got the finished product right here. Boneless, skinless chicken breast. Yes, sir. Smoked with mesquite. Yeah, man. I can't wait to taste them because they sure smelling good. Yeah, yes, sir. That's it. Just had to bring y'all back, let y'all check it out. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. All right, y'all. You got the finished product here. Got the boneless, skinless chicken thighs right there. Cilantro, lime rice, homemade, and some baracha beans. Yes, sir. Yep. Like it's gonna be a pretty tasty meal. Yep. You like what you see? Do me a favor and hit that like button. And if you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe too, because yeah, I'm gonna keep them coming. Alrighty.